All right, we're taking a look at number 8. So you've just finished number 7. So you know that we're going to start by showing that f of A equals f of B. And the goal is to show then A equals B. Okay, that's our goal. All right, so f of A means substitute in A for the x. F of B means substitute in B for the x. Now we're going to go ahead and try to show A equals B if we can. So let's start by getting rid of those 9s by adding 9 to both sides. And we know that we need to square root both sides. And that, remember, when you square root both sides, you need a plus or minus. Okay, we've done this many times in class where we've had x squared equals 4, and we square root and we put plus or minus 2, right? So we're going to square root both sides and put plus or minus b. Now, this is not the same as a equals b. We're saying a equals b and a equals negative b. That means that this is not going to be 1-to-1, right? Not 1-to-1, okay? I always get some questions on this also. People get a little weirded out with the plus or minus. Technically, you can put plus or minuses on both sides, but we don't, because if you type out all the cases, right? Positive A equals positive B, positive A equals negative B, negative A equals positive B, negative A equals negative B, right? Well, if you were to take, let's say this case right here, and you were to divide both sides by a -1, you end up with, let me scoot the screen over a little bit, A equals negative B, which is already here, okay? On this one, if you divide by a negative to both sides, you end up with A equals B, which is already here. So you technically don't need to put it on both sides. You can just put it on the one side. A equals plus or minus B. Turns out it's equivalent. So that's why we only put it on the one side here, okay? But big thing to note, you can't get A equals plus or minus B. You have to get just A equals B. And that should make sense to you because if you go back to our original function, it's x squared minus 9. That is a parabola shifted down 9 units, and it would not pass the horizontal line test, so therefore it is not 1-to-1. Let's go see again if it just wants us to put in here. Is it a 1-to-1 function? No. Let's see if that's it. That is it. All right, you guys, hopefully this helps you out with your number 8. Take care.